So guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can blur your video background, your picture background, or any background you want to blur using INSHOT app. This INSHOT app is free for you to blur your video background. You don't have to subscribe to anything for you to blur it. It is very free. Alright. So for us to do this, go to your Play Store, download the INSHOT app. After downloading the INSHOT app, then you come to this INSHOT and click on video. So once you click on video, then you click on plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, it will take you to your phone gallery so that you can import the video you want to edit. So this is the video I want to edit. Then I will click on the video, then click on good. It will now take us back to INSHOT. So this is the video I want to edit. So you can go ahead and edit your video, put color, do whatever you want to do before you blur the background. Alright? So edit it to any style, any design you want to edit it. Put your color, put your contrast, put your highlights, whatever you anyhow you use to edit your video, just edit it. After editing it, then it's time for us to blur this background. So for us to do that, we'll come to this place and click on effect. So once you click on effect, you can see that we have effect, we have AI effect. So the one you are going to click on is the AI effect, not the effect. Alright, so I'll now click on this AI effect. Once I click on this AI effect, then I'm going to scroll to look for blur. So this is blur now. I'll click on blur. So once I click on blur, these are the blur features that you can use. These are the blur features. So anyone you like, you can go ahead and use it, and they are free. You don't have to pay anything. Alright, so let's click on this diamond. You can see how it is. I don't really like this one. This is another one, circle. I don't like it as well. So you just check out for the ones you like. Anyone you like, you can check them out. Then this is glass. I don't still like this one. This one is the pro feature. For you to use this one, you have to subscribe to them. Alright, so for all, I want to use the free version of it. So for me to do that, I'm going to look for the free version, which is all this one. This one is bad. I don't like it, but it's also fine. If you like it, you can use it. But this one is the one I prefer. I prefer this one. So you can see, this is where you can increase the value if you want it to blur very well. If you don't want it to blur very well, then you reduce it like so. Depending on how you want it, you reduce it like so. You increase and reduce depending on how you prefer it. So I'm going to reduce my own. I'll reduce it like so. You can see it is perfect for me like this. And once you blur the video of your background, it will make that video very clear. It will make it clear because they will be seeing you very well. People will not be distracted by your background anymore. So we'll come to this place. For this blur to circulate from the beginning of the video to the very last, I'm going to drag it to the end. So I'll drag it to the end. Once you drag it to the end, you allow it to load. So after loading, you are good to go. This is as simple as ABC. It is very simple, very easy to do. So you see that my video background has blur. Is no longer the same like it used to be. The difference is now clear. Let me show you guys the difference. Alright, this one does not have blur. Why this one has blur? So you see it. This one has blur. This one does not have blur. So you see, the one that does not have blur, the background, you can see everything in the background very clearly. Why this one that does not have, that has blur, you will see that you cannot see the background clearly, but you can see my face very clearly. So this is how to do this. It is pretty easy. Then you come to this place and click on export for you to save it into your phone gallery. You can see that I'm saving this without paying any money. You can see it, guys. So this is how to do it. Please, after watching, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.